Season 2 is enjoyable but may be complicated for many players, particularly on the tile system. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today's video will guide you through the tile system, covering resources, seasonal buildings, and virus resistance. Resources. Crimson Ore and Antigen are the essential resources needed to build and upgrade season buildings. These resources can be produced at the captured Crimson Ore mine and cactus forest. The higher the tile level, the greater the production rate per hour. However, capturing high-level tiles requires meeting specific virus resistance standards, which we will discuss later. Pumice and Cactus Fruit are resources used for Farhad's gift exchanges. These exchanges provide valuable items we can acquire without spending money, such as orange fragments and power cores. We can gather these resources by capturing tiles and collecting some cactus fruit when rallying boomers. We recommend striving to collect as much pumice and cactus fruit as possible by capturing and abandoning tiles. Although this may require effort, we can exchange for every item in Farhad's gifts. Virus resistance. It is essential to capture higher-level tiles to increase the production rate of Crimson Ore and Antigens in Season 2. With a higher production rate, we can acquire them more quickly and upgrade our season buildings faster. However, virus resistance is necessary when capturing higher-level tiles. Without adequate resistance, our troops will experience reduced effectiveness during the capturing process, which could result in failure and serious troop injuries. For example, we failed to capture the level 8 cactus forest with a shortage of 20 virus resistance or 8% damage debuff. To enhance virus resistance, we need to build and upgrade virus labs. We can construct a maximum of 4 virus labs, which will become available once our alliance reaches a higher level alliance center. For instance, the final virus lab will be unlocked after our alliance has established the 3rd alliance center. Season buildings can only be constructed around the alliance centers. These buildings share the same builder and speed up resources in our shelter, so we must allocate a builder specifically for the season building. Virus resistance is also crucial when capturing cities, therefore, developing virus resistance is the priority in Season 2. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Other season buildings. There are limits to the number of tiles we can capture. We can increase this limit by building and upgrading the land agency. The strategic barrack is essential and can only be unlocked after establishing the 3rd alliance center. It enhances our troop capacity, increases the number of troops per formation, and boosts our overall strength. The armed turret and defense base also improve our troops' attack and defense capabilities. These features are vital for enhancing the power of our formation. What to do? When the season begins, start by capturing tiles from level 1. Build and upgrade your virus lab whenever possible. Always aim for higher level tiles if your virus resistance meets the requirements. Look for higher level cities to find more advanced tiles. For instance, tiles ranging from levels 1 to 6 can be found in a level 1 city, while tiles from levels 4 to 8 can be found in a level 3 city. Teleporting closer to the tiles will save you time. Abandon older tiles so you can capture the higher level ones. If you have purchased the Season Weekly Pass, it will reduce the abandonment time to mere seconds. Significantly aids in the capturing process. Build and upgrade the land agency to unlock a greater tile limit. The strategic barrack, armed turret, and defense base are essential for enhancing your strength, so optimize them gradually. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.